Hi everybody, my name is Jordi Puigvert and today we are going to introduce the recipe of the Flan Patissier, a very typical French pastry item. Historically, the origin of this dessert, there's two different versions actually. The first one is the one that is being created in the city of Amiens in France during the 13th century, so the Middle Age. And the second version is that it's been the dessert that it's been served during the coronation of the King Henry IV in England. So we are going now to start the recipe. Thanks to the Trittico, we can maintain a constant and regular stirring speed and temperature, avoiding the risk of burning the product, which could happen during the manual procedures. Thanks to the Trittico, we can also fill the molds directly during the extraction phase using the slide and optimize the work organization. The advantage of using the machine is also related to the quantity. With the highest capacity Trittico machines, you can produce up to 20 kilos of product, which would be about 11 flan, with a standard weight of 1.8 kilos. Well, there's a very important trick, a very important point to take in consideration, is that once we are extracting the flan from the machine and we are pouring into the mold, these have to be kept 12 hours in the fridge without covering. Very, very important to get like elastic texture that makes that a better baking process after. Also, we have to say that the way to make it in the machine versus make it manually, the machine is taking in charge of everything. We put the ingredients, but then the stirring process, the temperatures, and also the extracting process is doing by itself. So in this time we can do other things in our lab, so we can even better organize our work.